Hello, my name is Daniela Núñez Caicedo. I am studying psychology. With the video, I want the guide and brief exposition about the topic of family problem. The chosen topic is my career. One question. Why did you choose topic? Um, um, that into account that no family is perfect, I consider that is the subject, the lens, diesel, to being, to cause, the causes of much discussions, good, and the same time a conclusion with by drones as to the way these presented and interests each time with files. Segundo question, how is the topic important for you? This topic is important for the psychology field because if they prolonged, they can cause psychology disorders that are related to whole act, depressions, eating disorders, or other problems that have to do with mental health. Um, Three questions. Can you improve that topic in your career? Family conflicts are part of living together and present in all kinds of family relationships. Normally they can be based on their own will and managed all the family and of never in some family styling there are tremendous things or are blocked to flow, that moment the solutions might be to ski therapy, help how talking into a contact, family therapy can be very fair. Species for family reunion because therapy provides a skill and styling for active listening and conflict release. What kind of organizations and this topic have? Over the years, new problems have arisen living among with her woman war and the longest recordings the person they married, children say that the mother parents are not residing and their children among others families are not cultivating hobbies to get out of the routines that bore them. So age of the problems journeys or 7 problems so that families move and therapy of often. Um, Thank you. Bye bye.